Hey guys, it's Danny's Clean here and Colt. We got some harvesting to do. We're gonna turn you around. We're gonna be picking our we're gonna be picking our potatoes that we planted.
No, it's carrots.
And he wants to pick a few carrots, so I'm gonna turn you around and show you how it's done.
Yeah.
Here's our potatoes. Here, pick them out.
Here. Potato.
Put everything in here.
I see back to my
Potato.
potato. That very say good.
Just put it all in here. Yeah, put it in there.
Wait, I see one.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get back in. Whoa.
Put it in there.
Tomato.
Potato.
Potato. I'll grab this one. Oh, it's kind of good. Whoa.
Oh, look at that one.
That was so big. Where is this one? Oh, wait. I see tomato.
Potato.
Potato. It's good. Oh, that one's a big one. Now one more. Oh!
Yeah, we gotta make sure. We gotta dig around and make sure.
It's hot. Oh, I see one.
Look, right there.
I saw one. Look, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Little baby one. I see one.
Yep, we gotta dig around. I think there's more in there. Look, a baby one.
Oh, guys, look at this.
Dig around.
I think there's some. Oh yeah, I see one. See one, Mama.
Awesome.
That was too quick, right, Mama? Mommy, after that one, I saw some wetty ones over there.
Well, we gotta do it. We gotta dig some more.
Oh.
We gotta make sure.
Ugh. So hard.
It's not too hard.
No.
You gotta work.
No, it's my head. It hurts. I think this is the carrot right here.
Yeah.
Right here? Right there?
Yeah, that might be all the potatoes.
Maybe.
Okay.
Right here?
Yeah, you can pick those ones.
Just one, right? Look.
Nope, those are potatoes too. I thought these was carrots too.
No, I just want to pick. Yeah, I thought we was picking some.
Those ones are carrots.
What? Those ones?
Nope.
These ones?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Carrot? It's carrot.
Yeah. Let's try again. Oh.
Oh, a carrot. Ah, a carrot.
Oh, look at that. Cal.
Yeah, that is a regular one. Ah, a carrot. That's a carrot. Look, Mama. Mama, go put it. I'll grab the whole thing. Oh, I got a wall here.
Yep, that's okay. That's enough.
And more.
Okay, let's show them what all we picked. We got a few big potatoes. That's a pretty good one. Not too bad. Okay, Colt, come here. We gotta tell them bye. Alright guys, that's it. Hopefully you enjoy us picking our few little potatoes that we got. And Colt, come tell them bye. Say thanks for watching. Say
Go that bye.
Bye.